Welcome to our channel, Stress Induced Left Eye Twitch. My name is Bo.
And I'm Jillian.
This is Bubba, and that's Avaya.
Avaya, you say hi?
Don't take that away from me when I'm doing that.
This is the best ever.
You don't even see what Jordan has a cup full of.
Show them what's in your cup. Say roly-poly.
Whole cup full of roly-polies.
Okay, come sit
All
down.
right, so we have a fun, exciting new box for you all. It's called Variety Fun. Okay, so this company reached out to us to try out their box, and it's full of snacks. Let me read a little bit off the website before I open it. So it says, this subscription service delivers an assortment of your favorite chips, cookies, candies, crackers, pretzels, popcorns, nuts, all in one snack box. So instead of going to the store and you buying like a big variety pack of things or like a big bag, this just sends you little, like the snack pack,
It'd be fun for like
each
kids.
one.
You can see in the window too.
Oh.
So this is not gonna be like
Mama,
Snack Crate.
this is
If you
their
guys have
house.
been part of our Snack Crate videos where they send you snacks from around the world, this is mainly.
The Great Madness house.
It looks like the
This
Mad
is
Hatter's
mainly
house.
from America, but I haven't seen all of them.
And how much is it per month?
Okay, so it says your first box starting at $14.99 if you use the code FUN25, and I think they sent us a code also that you guys could use. So I would think it says 25% off of your first box.
But this is not like interesting snacks.
No.
Okay.
It just says explore over 500 brands.
Yep, that's
Okay,
right.
Jordan, you want to
Good job.
see it?
Are you ready to try some snacks? Yum. Jordan loves chips, so don't block the camera. Sit down. Wow. Some of this I haven't seen before.
I don't think we are going to be able to try all of this in
No,
one
let's
sitting.
pick a couple to
Jordan,
try.
why don't you pick
We
some?
can show them what's in there.
So we have,
Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. Oh my gosh, Jordan, get out of the way, buddy.
so we have chips, we have popcorn, we have
These are cookies. Look at this one.
crackers, we have other kinds of cookies,
Some of this stuff I haven't even seen before.
fruit snacks. Yeah, like,
There's a chocolate Rice Krispie
I think
treat.
we had this from in a Snack Crate once.
I found some.
No, you can't.
Rice
have those.
Krispie treats,
Why
fruit
not?
snacks,
Or Rice
fruit
Krispie
roll-ups, Airheads,
Airheads?
granola bars.
Airheads?
All right, Jordan, which ones do you want to try?
Let's try a chip first. Let's try a chip first.
Let's try one of these.
Yeah. What kind is that? Stop moving it around so much. It's so loud.
Okay, this is the first time, or this is your last going back before, if you want to do it with Bubba.
Yes, I want
Okay, just letting you.
How do we just eat outside?
to. You want to eat
This is
outside?
Pop Chips. A lot of these people,
eat
the
outside.
Instagrammers don't they get sponsored by Pop Chips?
I don't know. Are you gonna pretend you're
Here you go,
sponsored?
Jordan.
Here you go.
You're gonna
Here's
share
a
with
chip.
Mom.
You like that?
You want to try? That will be your grand finale. You can have that at the end.
We'll save this one for after, okay?
I like it.
Wow.
Let's try another chip variety. This is called Dipsy Doodles
No.
Wavy Corn Chips. There you go. Kind of looks like a veggie chip.
I'll just share with Jordan.
Looks like this.
You like it?
It's like a Frito.
Mmm. You like it, Jordan? Yeah? Now which one? You pick one.
No, I got another one.
Excuse me, I got animal crackers.
You're gonna try a hot fry.
Ooh, that's both each one for us.
There you go, Bubba.
This is just fun. It's fun, but look how much stuff is in here.
For what, 25?
I thought you said
$14.99
$14.99.
for your first box. I don't know if they keep sending you the same stuff over and over.
No, I think they send you something different, right?
It said over 500 brands.
Mmm. Okay, bye, Jordan. Oh, that's so spicy. Bo, you made Jordan eat one of these?
What do you think, Bubba?
This is so spicy.
Here's an organic chocolate hero.
You're gonna open all these?
No, I'm just opening some of them. Oh, look, they're cute, Bubba. They're superhero. I don't like them.
Jordan, do you like it? These guys are escaping.
What else do you want to try here?
I saw one that I really wanted to try.
I want to try this one. Mini chocolate chip cookies by Pure Sweetness
Look
Company.
at this one, Stroopwafel.
Here you go, Bubba.
Oh, that's still so. Oh, you warm this on the top of your cup. Mmm.
They're good.
So good.
I'm going to try it.
No,
Jordan.
cookies, chocolate chip cookies.
They taste like Famous Amos.
Mmm.
So number 1, choose your box. You can have a variety of rotating healthy snacks,
Ooh, that'd be fun. I want
classic
their
snacks,
healthy
or
box.
both. Some of these are healthy.
All right, so we fired all the extras. They were too much in it.
I feel like this isn't quite.
Was that good? All right, so I was going through their website and it said the prices. So I'll tell you guys the prices on the boxes.
I also said you can do a healthy snack option or a combo snack option or just like regular classic snack.
Yeah, so they have a fun box, which is $25 for 25 snacks for $20.
What do you think we got? The classic?
I think
or
we got
combo?
this 40 snacks.
I think we did
Which
too.
is a $25 box. And then there's a fit box, which is 15 healthy snacks for 24 or 25. And then a fit box, which is 30 healthy snacks for 40. I want to try the healthy snack one.
I don't.
I don't think I would ever eat all of these because it's just like, I would prefer I like that they do both. Like one box for you, one box for me.
I think what this would be a good investment is if you have like elementary school kids on up and
Yes,
it's
full
like, hey, I
lunches.
just need a variety of actual snacks that you can like put in. Like when I would teach kindergarten, you could have a snack day and so they could go in instead of just having a huge pack of Ruffles that's like that. They could go in and pick one of these.
Yeah.
But I get wanting
Or like
more
it
healthier
says
ones.
that you can send it to your office too. So that's kind of cool.
Yeah, so what our mom said is, so she works in an office atmosphere, so we picked the ones we wanted out, but she's gonna take the rest of them and go bring it, so it's just like stuff that they can snack on throughout the day.
Well, thanks Variety Box for sending this to us, and we'll put the link down below. We didn't get paid to say anything.
What if it chose this?
Wait, my eye was kind of squinty. Why is that eye so squinty?
Yeah, mine was doing that earlier with Mom.
Here, I'm ready now. Alright, thanks. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and we'll see you in our next video.
We'll link the website down below.
I already said that.
Oh, and check out our Instagram, because we're gonna post a really cute picture.
A
for it.
really cute picture.
You haven't even seen it. So
No,
don't
I
act
did.
like that. We tried to put both the kids, and then mine freaked out, and then my mom kept feeding her all the snacks, and she was dripping them everywhere. The kids were a disaster.
They got fired. They're fired from show business.
Mom got fired too.
All right, bye.